Part 2. Once again, sunshine, blue skies, death and destruction. Look at that, you can like see a current, dude.
Yeah, I know. Look at all like the leaves and twigs and branches and shit and stuff like that.
Dude, I think normally a trail goes through there. Like, I'm pretty sure normally there's a trail somewhere in there.
What'd you do Friday? We went wild water rafting.
Yeah,
Where at?
in Thornton.
Thornton.
I think it's like right there, cause like that path looks like it gets covered up.
Yeah.
Like you can just like see the path and then it just like disappears in water.
Yeah.
And dude, this is in July. Normally doesn't this like normally happen in June, and like July is like really dry. I thought.
I'll say April's supposed to be the rain month.
And then like it didn't even rain. Didn't even rain in April. Didn't even rain in June. Saving it all up
July.
for now. Yeah. July, hottest month of the year. Hottest and driest month of the year. Rain out the ass. Yeah, so like the trail, boom, just disappears. And then it like starts back up way over there. Yeah.
Look at the water robot over here. Something, because what's that? Big pile of shit.
There might be one good place after this that I think we could go to.
Let's start walking back there. We can just go right here. It's like walking over. Oh man.
I don't know. I was gonna say I don't know, man.
There's the water down there. Well, we couldn't even see the water and you're putting it all over the water. That's what I was doing.